Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play for AT&T Prepaid. So the Moto G Play is not here at AT&T Prepaid. This is a new budget phone for AT&T Prepaid. This is the 2021 Moto G Play here. It's available now for $49.99. It's available in flash gray, and you guys will have 32 gigabytes of storage. So yeah. So this is a new budget phone, of course, so that's what the phone looks like. You gotta save your teardrop notch for your front facing camera, power and volume on the right side of the phone there. So there's the front of it there. There's the left side of it. The left side will have your micro SD and SIM card slot. There it is, the left side, micro SD and SIM card slot right here. There's the back of the Moto G Play. You guys have your dual camera setup along with your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and your AT&T logo on the back. So pretty cool there. There's the back of it again, dual camera setup along with your camera flash, fingerprint, and AT&T logo. Right side has your power button, volume keys. There's the right side of it again, power button, volume keys right here on the right. There's the front of it again. Yep. Overview says watch games, movies, and video chat ongoing for up to life on its massive camera system. There's more to love with Moto G Play. So here's some more pictures of the Moto G Play. Plus a 2 megapixel camera on the rear. I think that's a depth sensor. You get a water repellent design, which if the Moto G Play is not bad if you get, so don't submerge the phone in water. 3 days of battery. 7 inches depth. The Moto G Play with 7.19 ounces, display 6.5 inches, Max Vision HD Plus, 16.7 13 megapixel standard angle lens with f2.0 aperture, then a 2 megapixel depth sensor lens on the back, video playback, video capture, main lens for HD at 30 frames, video playback for HD plus at 30 frames, 5 megapixel front facing camera with f2.2 aperture lens. Other shooting options include watermark, face metering, QR code scanner, barcode scanner, slow-mo video, removal, smart composition, slow-mo video, auto capture, on smile pick, burst shot, touch capture, focus lock unlock, manual focus, manual ISO, manual white balance, spot color, low light HDR, flash on off, snapping video, time lapse video recording, active photos, time snap, depth portrait. Battery is a 5,000 mAh battery. Battery's not removable, of course. That's pretty much standard now. Up to 59 hours of talk time, 12 days of standby time. It takes about 70 minutes to charge to 50%. Takes about 185 minutes to charge fully. Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor, 32 GB of ROM, with 3 GB of RAM and micro SD card expansion up to 512 GB. It has Android 10, which is a bit outdated, but still not bad for a backup phone like this. $50 can't go wrong. So it does have Android 10. I think it got Android 11. I think it did. I could be wrong about that. But it comes with Android 10. Either way, which is a bit outdated now. This one's about to be cool. There's no. You did get 4G, of course. There is no 5G on. There's no 5G on board. You did get. You do get a roll phone, which is quad band AC voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 8 to 11 ABG and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, wireless emergency alerts, and it takes a nano SIM card. There's your sensors. You guys got proximity and SAR rating there, compass, fingerprint, proximity and SAR rating there. There's a messaging and email, music, has YouTube music, and all that good stuff. What comes in the box is nothing special. You guys do get the quick start guide. There's a charging block, which is with the charging pin. So pretty cool there. So nothing standard in the box. So nothing special in the box. Just standard stuff in the box. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever on AT&T prepaid, the Moto G Play is the phone to check out. The specs on here are pretty decent. Not bad for a budget phone like this. It does have Android 10 on it. I don't know if it got Android 11 or not. I don't know if it did. It got Android 11. I don't know. It probably did. I'm not really sure. But it will come with Android 10 out of the box. So the Moto G Play 2021 version is still a good phone today. In 2022, of course, this phone's like almost a year old, but it's not bad for a backup phone or whatever, you know. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatnot, the Moto G Play could be worth taking a look at here. It's now available at AT&T prepaid for $49.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.